Thank you for watching. This is my second day of actually vlogging the hashtag a video a day challenge. And I'm going to put a hashtag here somewhere. And I'm also doing the no makeup challenge. I really don't wear makeup typically anyway. I wear mainly chapstick, lip gloss, and maybe translucent powder. That's pretty much it. And I rarely wear the translucent powder. So it's usually just like lotion, regular lotion on my face, chapstick, and lip gloss. But right now the only thing I have on is chapstick. So yeah, the no makeup challenge. And as far as the hashtag a video a day challenge goes, I need some ideas, something that I feel passionate about, something that I think that you would like to see, and something that I can execute in a day. It can become a challenge, so I'm gonna probably be putting up some really odd videos, but this is a video. Here's another one. This is actually the video for tomorrow because I already did the video for today. That's up, and that one is about why I cut my hair. So thank you for watching. Keep doing the hashtag a video a day challenge, and let's grow together. All right, take care.